What's up, Bearded Nation? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the challenge. For those of you guys don't know, I was challenged by Sunnyslope Homestead to come out to his property and do a primitive camping because he felt I had gone away from my roots. As most of you've seen, I have a rooftop tent, which I'm really enjoying, so I've been doing a lot of content with that. But today we're getting back to nature. We're gonna go down to this little valley down here and we're gonna camp out for the night. It's currently around 22, 23 degrees, and we're supposed to have everything under the sun today. Sleet, freezing rain, snow, high winds. I really picked a good day to do this, but we're gonna try to shimmy our way down into this valley with this snow. Yay, we got snow. But yeah, that's the plan for tonight. And we're gonna be camping in a tarp. We're not doing a tent, we're gonna do a tarp tent camping. All right, let's get down to the campsite without killing ourselves. You know, this is kind of dumb because now I got to come back and get the camera. Alright, so we made it down into the valley and that was fun. I slid most of the way down on my butt. It's kind of fun. It's like sledding without the sled. Just use my butt. But let's go ahead and get camp set up because I have got to gather a lot of firewood for tonight. Whoa.
One eternity later.
All right, so here's our setup for tonight. We're just going to use a tarp as our tent. You guys already know that because you just watched me set it all up. But yeah, we're also going to be using the Outdoor Vitals 0 degree camp quilt with the Thermarest X-Therm, which has a it's warm, okay? It's warm. It's a warm mattress. But I need to start gathering firewood because it's supposed to get really cold tonight. It's supposed to have snow later. And yeah, it's just supposed to get cold and snow because it's winter, and that's what happens in the winter. It gets cold and it snows. I'm excited for the snow, but let's go get that firewood. I'm having technical difficulties with my gloves that are already wet. It's awesome. Well, that sucked. Let's try this again. All right, so that's our heat source. We're going to be using the Danshel Outdoors camp stove. What I'm thinking is it'll burn here. It's going to be a lot of wasted heat, but there should be enough that gets inside the tent that helps keep me warm. But like I said, I've camped in worse than this. Plus, I have a 0 degree bag. I have a green bag, 0 degree green bag. Yeah, it's rated for cold weather. So, and you know, I've camped in a lot worse than this. So even if I don't have a fire all night, I should be fine, depending on the wind and everything. But because of where I'm at, down in this valley, or gully, or saddle, or whatever you want to call it, it's not that windy down here. Now up top, it is kind of windy, but down here, we should be good. But nothing really left to do except wait till it gets a little darker out, and then we'll get this this stove going. All right, we'll see you guys here in a bit. So as I'm setting camp up, I notice a really strange figure up on the ridgeline. I don't know what's going on, but we should probably go check it out. Oh no, guys, look. We found Bigfoot.
Call me Bigfoot. Let's see if I can get down here without busting my ass.
There you go.
One-handed too.
That part there's sketchy. What's up, dude?
What's going on?
All right, so for those of you guys who don't know, that's Sunnyslope Homestead, and this is his property. And it's awesome having friends who have stuff like this. So
it is nice down here.
Yeah, you can't feel the wind or nothing, dude.
It is. It's nice and it's not breezy at all.
No, I ended up having to take the jacket off because I started sweating.
Really?
Yeah, and I don't want to get hypothermia. We should get our ice skates on and just go skating out here. Holy crap.
Yeah, it gets all, this is all a little marshy, but it's all, like I said, it's all grass in the springtime. You kind of see it. And it zigzags through here.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
Oh, it did. It did marsh up. Oh, it's slick. It is kind of marshy.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
I think we found, oh, we're definitely walking on it, aren't we?
Yep.
Whoa. Whoa. This will be the shortest camping trip ever if I fall through.
You're only gonna, it's just,
like,
you're gonna fall deep enough just to make you mad.
Like, well, thanks for watching, guys. We're done. Well, I want to go out here too far because I don't know how slick this is.
Yeah, so that tree that's off there, I
Yeah.
think if you pass that on the back side of those steps.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do that. All right, so we got the stove all set up, and it's already warm in there. I ended up hooking another ridge line up to the tarp. That way, as the heat rises off of the stove, it's going to trap more of it in there. I am going to keep an eye on it though, because I'm not sure how close I can actually get it to this stovepipe, but I should be okay. It's Valentine's Day, and I don't know what you guys got your significant other for Valentine's Day, but I gotta say, I have probably, in my opinion, the best, most supportive wife on the planet. And I'm not just saying that because she's watching right now and I'm mandated to shout out to her in every video, otherwise I can't go camping. But she does. She lets me go do stuff like this on Valentine's Day. I had an opportunity with Sunnyslope Homestead. We picked today based on the weather, and it just happened to be on Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to everybody. But now I'm starting to get hungry, and it is starting to get a little colder, so I'm gonna make dinner, and we're gonna cook it right on top of that stove. All right, let's get going. Hey, guess what we're having? I'll give you two choices. One is steak, and the other is also steak. So we're gonna have steak. All right, let's get dinner going. I am using a titanium skillet, so those things heat up real fast. I'm right next to an airport, it seems. I'm like right next to Epley Airfield. All right, let's eat dinner. You guys want to see it? Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Camp food. Best food. My knife. Didn't have my cutting board, but I bought one of these camp bowl / plate things, so I'm going to use that. Hot. Guys, look what I did. I melted my boot. So I'm sitting here relaxing, enjoying the fire. And I'm like, my foot's getting warm. I look down. I almost burnt a hole in my boot. You guys want to know what the real kicker is as far as burning my boots? So earlier this week, when this epic snowfall happened, I decided I'm going to go camping in the middle of the week. And I ended up burning my coat, the one that I'm wearing right now. And my wife just fixed it. And now I burned my boots. I don't think she can fix my boots. Maybe she can, I don't know, I don't think she can. But I don't know. If something can go wrong at camp, I'll find a way to make sure it does. All right, it's starting to get a little darker out, get a little colder. I'm gonna crawl back under this tarp and, I don't know, probably call it a night unless something major or epic happens. Probably not. So far, I'm really enjoying this challenge. It's not much of a challenge, but I'm having a good time. I'm having a blast out here. So thanks again to Sunnyslope Homestead, Mike. Thanks, buddy, man. I appreciate you coming out here. It really is a change of scenery. I like it. I dig it. All right, good morning, everybody. We went ahead and got camp all packed up because I got to try to figure out how I'm going to get up this ravine. But I had a great time. Huge thank you to Sunnyslope Homestead. It's cold out, guys. It's like really cold, and I got to climb a hill. It's going to be epic. But no, Mike, Sunnyslope Homestead, thank you so much for allowing me to come down here and camp on your property. You guys that follow me, go follow his channel. He does a lot of amazing stuff on his homestead. He also does garage builds, stuff like that. But again, huge thank you to him and his family for allowing me to come out here. But now we got to tackle this monster of a climb. And you guys seen what happened last time I tried to film, so probably not going to film it. But if you guys like content like this, don't forget that like and subscribe, share with your friends and family, and as always, we'll see you on our next adventure. Take care, everybody. Whew, this is going to be brutal. Yeah. I'm excited.